Hi everyone and welcome back to a new video. Today we're making the letter G. So I'm using mercerized cotton yarn and 2.5mm hook. Without further ado, we'll get started. So I'll start with a magic loop, then I'm gonna chain 15. I'm gonna make one single crochet in the second chain from the hook and one single crochet in every chain. For the next row, I'm gonna chain 1, 2 single crochet in the first stitch, 1 single crochet in every stitch, and 2 single crochet in the last stitch. I'm gonna repeat that 5 more times. For the next row, I'm gonna chain 1, single crochet in the next 10 stitches. And I'm gonna do that for 15 times as well. On the 15th time, I'm gonna continue chaining 16. Now single crochet in the second chain from the hook, one single crochet in every chain, and in the last 2 chains I'm gonna make 2 single crochet together. For the next 6 rows I'm gonna chain 1, 2 single crochet together, 1 single crochet in every chain, and 2 single crochet together in the last chain or stitch, then fasten off. Now I'm gonna join the yarn on this side to shape the G letter. Single crochet in all 7 stitches, 2 single crochet in the 8th stitch. For the next row I'm gonna chain 1, 2 single crochet in the first stitch, single crochet in every stitch. In the next row I'm gonna chain 1, single crochet in every stitch, 2 single crochet in the last stitch. And in the last row I'm gonna chain 1, 2 single crochet in the first stitch, 1 single crochet in every stitch. Then I'll fasten off. And that's it. The G letter is done, and this is how it looks. Remember that you can make the size you wish of your letter, and that depends on how you start the chain, how many chains you do. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave it in the comment section, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.